Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a CV joint on a Honda Accord. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, torque wrench, and jack stands. Make sure you have a new CV axle assembly on hand. Safely lift your Honda Accord and secure it on jack stands, then remove the wheel to gain access to the axle. This preparation ensures a smooth replacement process. Next, we'll focus on removing the old axle. Begin by taking off the axle nut, then disconnect the lower ball joint. This allows you to separate the steering knuckle from the strut assembly. With these components free, you can carefully pull the old CV axle out from both the transmission and the wheel hub. Be gentle to avoid damaging other parts. Now it's time to install your new CV axle. Start by carefully inserting the splined end into the transmission, ensuring it seats properly. Then, guide the outer end of the axle through the wheel hub. Once aligned, reconnect the steering knuckle to the strut and reattach the lower ball joint. This secures the new axle in place for the next steps. For the final steps, install the new axle nut and torque it precisely to the manufacturer's specifications, which is often around 180 foot-pounds. Reattach the wheel, ensuring all lug nuts are tightened correctly, then safely lower your Honda Accord. Finally, take it for a test drive to confirm everything is working perfectly and there are no unexpected sounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.